What is up, guys? Today I want to tell you about this awesome 20,000 milliamp hour solar charger. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what comes in the box, of course, you're going to get the charger itself. You will get your set of fold-out solar panels. You're going to get a little user's manual, and you will get a charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. As we take a first look here at the charger itself, you can see that it is pretty big here. Now you can probably fit this in your pocket, but it is going to be big. The reason that it is larger is one, it has 20,000 milliamp hours of power. That means that you can charge something like an iPhone at least 7 times, which is really nice. Also, you have this really rugged design, which means if you drop this, you won't have to worry about it. On top of that, this plus the solar panels are completely waterproof as well, which is really nice. Now, looking at the front here, you can see that we do have one solar panel. So even if you forget the extra solar panels, you get this one solar panel, so you can get power if you're not by an outlet or something like that. And it's actually charging right now with the lights that I have here in the office. There is a little indication LED right there, that green LED that lets you know that you are getting solar power, which is really awesome. Now, all of your connections will be right here on the end. So we open this up, and again, this is sealed because it is waterproof. So when we open this up, we have a bunch of connections that you can see there. Now, there are actually 3 imports. So the one right in the center, that's micro USB. And then the 2 on the outside, while they both may look like Type-C, this one that's right here, that's actually a Lightning port. So if you're an iPhone user and use a Lightning cable, you can use your Lightning cable to actually charge this up, which is nice. The one on the opposite side is going to be Type-C. So that's Type-C in and out. So you can charge the actual charger and you can connect another device to actually charge it as well, which is really cool. And then we have 2 USB Type-A out ports. The blue one is going to be your Quick Charge 3.0 port. So whatever you want to charge faster, you can, you connect to the blue port. So there is all of our ports here. Now, don't forget, this is a wireless charger as well. So on the back here, we have a wireless charger, going to be able to give you 15 watts of wireless power. There is a power button right here, and if you hold that power button in for 3 seconds, you get a light here, which is really cool as well. So you get a nice light, you can take this camping with you, or even, throw this in the car and always have a flashlight with you, which is really nice. You hold that power in for 3 more seconds, and that completely turns off. There's also a little thing here to maybe put a carabiner or something like that on here. You have that there as well. Now, the actual extra solar panels here, they fold out like this. They're like a set of folding solar panels. And one thing that's really nice about these is, one, they use wireless to connect to this. So this just kind of snaps on, and then everything will be wirelessly charging, which is really nice. So this is going to give more power. Again, if you're not around power, this is going to give you more power. So this charges up faster, which is nice. So you get a total of 4 solar panels. But on top of just charging this up faster, maybe you're on a long hike or something, you can take this off, and there's a little like ring here. You can connect this to, say, your backpack or something like that, and have it kind of swinging off the back, getting power while you're hiking. And there is a USB connection here. So you can actually connect this into something else. You can connect it into this if you're not going to use it charging while it's sitting on there. And again, if you forget this, you can still charge up something if you just have these solar panels, which is really, really nice. Now, when it comes to actually using the charger, the first thing you want to do is actually charge it up. So we'll go ahead and open this back up and use the included Type-C to Type-A cable, plug it into our actual charger over here. And once you go ahead and plug it in, you'll see that LED lights up and lets us know that it is being charged. On top of that, at the top right here, you'll see these LED indicators to let you know how much it is charged. So you can see it says 25, 50, 75, 100. That lets you know how much this is charged as well, which is really cool. Now, to actually using the charger, we'll do our wireless charging first. So this is a wireless charger. This is my iPhone. It has a case, as you can see, but as soon as I put it on there, it's starting to charge wirelessly, which is awesome. 15 watts of wireless charging. And then on top of that, you can connect a bunch of different devices using these included ports. So let me connect all of my cables here. We have a type A to type C. We have just a type C, so let's do that as well. And then we have a type A to type C again, and I can connect multiple different devices. So as you can see, all of my cables are connected there. So I have wireless earbuds. We just plug those in, and you can see that those are charging. We have the case for the wireless mic that I'm wearing. We'll plug that in. And as you can see, the LEDs light up there. So we're charging 2 devices. And then we have another battery pack here. We plug this in and it lights up right there, as you can see as well. So that is charging. So we have 3 different devices charging right now. But then if I really wanted to, I could put my phone on there and that's going to start charging as well. So this can be like your everything device for when you're traveling, for when you're out on a hike, for, you know, whatever it may be. This can be your everything charging device, which is really awesome. And again, it's not all that massive either. And you can't forget again about the solar panels that you get as well, the extra solar panels, which make it really, really awesome, especially for hiking and things like that. So if you are looking for a wireless portable charger that can charge multiple devices at once and comes with extra solar panels, this is something that I would definitely recommend.